the future of computing is going to go, I think it's important for us to consider a few items from the past. As the video just discussed, we may think of ourselves as technologists, or developers of hardware, or developers of software, but what we really do is develop and deliver experiences through our technology. Technology isn't an end unto itself. Computing technology is an enabler for the changing way that people are living their lives. How they communicate with their friends, how they find communities of people, and how they consume entertainment. Computing has transformed from something that we do to something that we feel. The way we feel about our computing experiences and our technology is really based on the experience we have with the machine, with the device, or whatever. The user's experience with the device is becoming the defining feature in technology and computing today. And so this morning, I'm going to talk a little bit about how to create experiences on all of Intel products. But new user experiences take a long time to take hold. So I want to just go back in history and look at a couple of examples to give you an idea of how long it takes for some of these things to happen. So I want to start with emoticons. Hopefully everyone in the audience knows what those are. And the first ones were actually published in Puck magazine in 1881. Here they are. And it wasn't until 101 years later that we had a breakthrough in emoticons. In 1982, when a professor from Carnegie Mellon published an article that turned the colon and parentheses that you see up here into an iconic image, but more importantly, into a feeling, into an experience. It wasn't really until the user experience of emoticons reached a certain level of quality, of usability, and innovation, really, that we achieved the smiley, winky face that we use today. And with the advent of IM and texting, a lot of information can be conveyed through the feeling of this emoticon. Let's look at another example. Let's move forward and consider the evolution of tablets. Big topic of discussion, I'm sure, here and with many of you in the audience. Tablets are not new. I think we know that, right? Tablets have been around for 20 years. And I think we're going to see an old tablet here. Ah, Carol, thank you. Carol's joining us from the Computer History Museum in Mountain View. And what she's lending us is what we now call an artifact in technology. This is from, Carol, 1999. 1989. This is one of the first tablets from 1989. It's a grid pad. Thank you, Carol. Thank you for driving that up here for us. Just wanted to give you an idea of how long it really takes for some of these things to take hold. So there you have it. It's an artifact. The tablet from 1989 or the early 90s, the experience of that tablet was very uninspiring. And now what we've seen with the tablets that I'm going to show today is we've had a breakthrough. And that breakthrough is really because, and what you see on the screen, graphics has evolved, compute performance has improved, the touch interface has evolved, panel technology has really gotten to the point where it's pervasive and the touch works the way that users would expect. All this has come together to really create a breakthrough in experience. And now the projections are there could be as many as 100 million tablets in the next 3 years. Which begs the question, and the topic for the rest of my presentation, how do we create the best experiences? On